guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I'm in a sawmill, so I'm going to be showing you my trip to the sawmill today, so you guys should come along with me. Okay, so this man is currently working with bandsaw and is trying to cut the lumber into pieces, into planks. Yeah, that's what he's trying to do here, moving it from up to down to cut it. So also we are here to measure the lumber to the full length, the diameter at the top. That's what he's doing now. Measure the diameter at the top, the diameter at the middle, and the base. Yeah, so basically that's what we are doing. And the cross-sectional parts, the round surface of the tree, we'll measure it. So yup, so this is me trying to measure the full length of a lumber. Someone is like at the other side, so yeah. So this is the part to measure the cross-sectional part of the lumber. Measure it vertically and horizontally. So here we are asked to move like to the back because of the man working with the bandsaw. Because of the blade, it can easily like break, and it can actually cause like a very brutal damage to someone. So we are asked to move back. Yeah. This is the worker trying to replace the brake because the other one they were using broke. And this place, what they do is sharpen the blade. Can you see the machine doing that? Yes, to sharpen it. And this machine is switch, and it is used to make knots on the blade because that's the only way the blade can work, like it can cut anything. So without the knots, the blade cannot work. Yeah, it can't work at all. So that is one of my colleague feeling it, the knot on the blade. So I've come to the end of this video. I hope you learn one or two, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.